Hello guys, in this video we are going to be doing the detailed review of Acer Helios 300, and the one we have here is i7 10th generation RTX 2060 variant. There are other variants of the laptop which come with i5 10th generation and 17.3 inch of the screen size. Let's dive deep into and find out what the beast of a laptop it is. This is Tech Tequila, let's get started. The laptop gives a very premium feel because of the metal build. There is an accent of blue and a blue Predator logo on the back side of the screen. If we talk about the keyboard is well built and the keys are well spaced. This is an RGB keyboard which has 4 shades which we can set according to the various permutations and combinations. There are 2 big air vents on the back side of the laptop. This kind of adds on to the look of the laptop. Also, there is a charging port behind the laptop that does not kind of hinder if you are gaming and stuff. If we talk about the size of the laptop is same as a default 15.6 inch laptop. The weight of the laptop is around 2.3 kg and the charger weighs around 700 grams. The laptop is quite heavy, but since it is a gaming laptop, you need to carry that burden off your shoulder. If we talk about the ports, there is a USB 3.2 Type-C port, USB 3.2 second generation port, there is an HDMI port, and there is a micro display port. On the left side, there is a RJ45 port, 2 USB 3.2 first generation ports, and one 3.5mm audio jack. It has an RGB keyboard with 4 segments in which we can adjust the RGB lights accordingly. The trackpad is multi-gesture and it is very responsive. If you are gaming, then it is highly recommended to use an external mouse. The Acer Helios 300 has a 59 Wh 4-cell polymer battery. The battery life ranges between 2.5 to 4 hours. If you are gaming, it is recommended to plug in that charger to get good frame rates. Also, during gaming, the laptop won't last even an hour. If we talk about the speaker quality is very average. The sound is not very loud, but the sound quality is, I would say, very decent. Check this out. The Acer Helios 300 has the utility app named Predator Sense, where we can adjust the performance of the laptop according to our need. We can also change the lighting, we can overclock the CPU and the GPU to maximum speed, we can change the fan controls, and also there is a turbo button on the keyboard which we can press while we are gaming to maximize the performance of the laptop. We would be testing a few games on this laptop and let's see how it does.
you, white one.
Trees or ground? Aye, that'll be coming in the bones.
Instead of blabbing your gob, fight! Scurvy mutant! Plowing goat fucker! What now, you piece of filth?
My final review is, if you are looking for a gaming laptop with an even aesthetic look, you have found the right laptop. The laptop is power packed with Intel i7 10th generation CPU, a powerful RTX 2060 graphic card, 16 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of SSD with 1 TB hard disk. The laptop is extra premium look wise and feature wise, but the company could have gone a little extra mile. The speaker output is very low. Also, 256 GB SSD fills up quite soon if you install 3 or 4 AAA games. You also need to get the laptop regularly cleaned as it bags up a lot of dust and it can slow down the beast. That's all from my side. Let me know what do you think about the laptop in the comment section below. Peace out.